So this is the finished look of this unit. So I absolutely love this entire look altogether. I think I'm just kind of like in awe. Now, if you guys are interested in knowing where this little cute crop top came from, this crop top I did feature in my last try on haul. This shirt is actually from romway.com. So I'll link that down below for you guys. I thought it went with this whole entire kind of like 90s retro vibe, retro theme. I really think that's this hairstyle with the earrings and the jacket just goes so well. So this unit was sent to me from Chinalacewig.com. So this is one of their new Swiss lace kind of combinations. So it is a 360 wig, so you'll get your 4 inches of parting space in the front, about 2 inches, 2.5 inches in the back, and it does come with an adjustable strap. So this one was pretty much glueless. It fit my ears, ear to ear tabs, whatever you want to call it. So this one is a medium to average cap size. So for me, medium to average cap size fits my head. My head is not that big. It's just right in the middle. So medium to average cap size is about the same thing. So this fit my head pretty good. I did go in and glue the ear tabs down, and then I glued just right here. I felt it was unnecessary to do the sides there, especially if you're going to use Got2b glue just to do the baby hairs. It's going to stay down with a little bit of hope from the Got2b glue. So I said, you know what? I'm not going to waste my time. I do think that this is really pretty. It's 10 inches long. I did go in with my scissors and just snip it just a little bit so I can give it like a really round off kind of look. I think that it's really cute. It's a nice short style, very clean. And it's kind of funny because now I feel like I've been recently reviewing a lot of curly units. And it's funny because the season's going to change in the next 3 months. So it's kind of like I'm preparing you guys slowly but surely for the next change. But this hairstyle definitely can be worn in the wintertime. So it's not something that's going to be really hard to manage in the wintertime. I did wet it, and then I went in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner, curling cream or whatever it is, just to kind of hold the style and just define it. It looks more of a, it looks kind of like it's a perfect style, which I'm not really into, but I wanted to lock and seal the curls, so therefore I kind of had like a dry wet look is what I've been really going for with these shorter looks. So I think that this came out really nice. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. It's a perfect cut. Like I said, I did go in and snip just a little bit just because you know how I am. I have to have like a certain length just to go with the whole aesthetics, the whole entire style. So that basically wraps up today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Chinalacewig.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. Happy holidays, happy new year, and welcome to 2019, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.